says. And about my roles and responsibilities, so I have developed several API in this project. That is all about me. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Did you work on Kafka also?
Yes, I have. Kafka.
So overall, how many years you have experience? You said,
With Kafka, I have 3 years.
and in Java?
In Java, I have around 4.6.
Okay. Okay, fine. Uh, how much do you rate in Java out of 10?
8.
Okay. What is the Java version you have used?
Most of the time, I have worked with Java version 8 and 17 also.
Okay. What is the Spring Boot version you used?
With Java 8 2.x and with Java 17 3.
Okay. So what are the collections you have used in Java?
Collection, I have used array list, linked list, and map I have used.
Okay. Can you tell me the internal implementation of concurrent hash map?
Concurrent hash map mainly used for storing value key value pair, we can say. And it is, we can say, like a concurrent hash map mainly used for like synchronization. We don't need to synchronize manually, and it is thread safe.
Okay. What is the difference between this normal hash map, synchronized hash map, and concurrent hash map?
So synchronized hash map, we have to manually synchronize block when we iterate that time. But and it is, we can say, like synchronized, we can say, like it is also thread safe, but in concurrent hash map, we can say, like it is synchronized, and we don't need to manually synchronization. And it is when we iterate the loop and we are modify, so it not through exception modification,
Okay.
concurrent
Okay.
modification.
Any other difference?
And yeah, so, we can say, like hasmap is not synchronized, but concurrent,
No, no. I'm asking difference between synchronized hash map and concurrent hash map.
yeah. So hasmap is not synchronized, and we can say, like multiple threads x is um, uh, like at the same time, so that time inconsistency can be happen. And hasmap is fast than concurrent hasmap.
Okay, fine. So you said you worked on Java 8, right? So did you work on the streams lambda also?
Yes.
Can you open this code jump once?
Online compiler.
Yes.
Okay.
You can select Java, select Java option.
Mm-hmm.
Did you change to Java?
Yeah,
Okay.
I changed.
Okay, fine. Assume there is a list which contains some integers
Hmm.
and negative numbers also. Negative numbers, zeros, and positive numbers. Just create one list.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Add few more zeros. Now my requirement is in the output I have to get zeros in the beginning, and after that remaining numbers should come in sorted format. You have to use Java streams
Okay, okay. I need to move all zeros.
to
Uh,
the beginning,
yeah.
and remaining numbers should be in sorted.
Okay, okay. So first, explain or direct. I can write.
Sorry.
First, I explain it or can I write directly?
You can explain once and then you can start.
Okay.
What is your approach?
Yeah. So firstly, like I applied a for loop for this. Firstly, I swap if not zeros.
Okay, use streams, Java streams.
Okay, okay. With the help of stream. Yeah, so with the help of a stream, first I convert each number to string and then use a string builder, and then with the help of a stream API, just a minute. Stream API.
Or just first try to sort these numbers using streams.
Yeah, so with the help of a stream, also like firstly I filter negative numbers, and then like second stream use for like filters zero and positive numbers, then I merge both lists, and then order is preserved because the stream maintain, we can say, orders. So with the help of we can.
Okay, first half and second half.
Sorry.
Can you repeat?
Yeah. So first, I used mainly like two streams there. So first filter I have used for negative numbers, and second stream we use for like filter zeros and positive numbers, and then I merge both list.
Okay, but
Yeah.
uh, if you do ascending order, then negative number should come in between, right? After zero.
But the order is preserved.
Order will be normally minus 5, minus 1, minus 2, and then 1, 2, 3, right? But if you sort, it will come as 0, 1, 2, 3, then minus 5, like that, right?
Hmm,
You got my point?
yes. Sorry, I didn't get your question.
You have to sort this, and normal number sorting, you know, right? But
Hmm.
zeros should come in the beginning.
Hmm. So so normally ascending, we can say.
Okay, I'll tell you the output: 0, 0, 0, 0, and then minus 9, minus 4, and then 1, 3.
Okay. So firstly, like I separate zeros and other numbers. Then I sort non-zeros number, and then yeah, and then like we can say I sort only non-zeros number. Then I finally like I combine zeros first and sorted numbers.
Okay, you can start on that.
Varsha, are you sharing your screen?
Yes, sir. Okay, I didn't say to just. Is it visible for you?
Yeah, now it's visible.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, fine. Can you tell me what are the annotations you use in this Spring Boot? What is the use of this at the rate repository?
In repository, firstly we use at the rate repository gp sorry at the rate repository annotation, and we extend jp repository, and
Okay, what happens if we use at the rate component instead of at the rate repository?
yeah, so at the rate component we can say like it is a special type of annotations with we can say like spring manages the that one class. Spring create objects for that.
So at the rate repository, for that annotation, Spring doesn't manage.
We can say like a repository we use, so that time spring identify it is a we can say they are perform hibernate database operations like save method like that, get this
Okay.
operation will
I
happen.
just gone through your resume. Any reason you switched companies in few months
um,
from,
hmm.
yeah.
Yeah, so first company I have worked with that 2.6 year, and after that
Okay.
I have joined value first, so there I have worked 4 months only, because I got offer from Infosys, so that's why so the I have worked with Infosys 1 year, more than 1 year, and after that in Infosys my project completed, so I was looking for internal and external also. I was trying, so I got offer from Coforce, so that's why I joined Coforce.
Okay. And are you currently working in Coforge?
No, currently I'm not working in Coforge because recently I have joined Coforge, but that time I mapped one project, but unfortunately that project was on hold, so there are no other projects, so that's why I left Coforge.
Okay. Okay. Mahendra, do you have anything?
No, Manju.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Varsha. I'll get back to you.
Okay,
Thank you.
sure. Okay, sure.
Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you.